Y'all, what's going on, man? We're back on the channel, man. I'm back, and I got some goodies for y'all today. Let's go to the back real quick. Guess what I have here? I have the AWE Touring Edition Catback exhaust, man. We're lit. We're lit today. Hold up. Let's see. We're gonna open this up real quick. I'm holding the phone with one hand, but yeah, I can see this real quick. Ooh. All right. So I'm gonna pause the video real quick, and I'm gonna kind of take everything out. All right. Y'all. Like I was saying, took everything out, and I forgot to record what everything was on the ground. So we're gonna go to the back of the car real quick. There we go. All right. Get this out real quick. So there we go. We got the main muffler with the 180 technology in it. Then we have the mid pipe. Not really, yeah, basically the mid pipe, and this is for the tips right here. Boom. Beautiful. All the clamps are right here. So I'm gonna have to go to a shop because I don't have the space or the tools to install this myself. So I'm gonna have to go to a shop and to install these. All right. Gonna be out of here. Catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. Let's say goodbye to this exhaust. This is the last start with this exhaust. So if y'all didn't know what exhaust this is the FXI Extreme, I think, Catback exhaust. Yeah, it's not loud, you know, unless you're like really stepping on it, like going like, you know, highway speed. Maybe, you know, somebody's gonna hear it. But yeah, it's not a bad exhaust if you're trying to keep it really, you know, calm. But the AW exhaust that I'm about to put on, it's not crazy loud, but it's loud. You're gonna hear that exhaust. Yeah, you know what? After this, you know, install, I'm probably gonna wash my car, man. My car looking dirty. And funny thing is, right? I washed it right around 2 days ago, and it's already like filthy. You know, it is what it is. Y'all, I'm about to head to the shop right now. Oh shit, I don't want to drive fast because of the, you know, the exhaust is in the back. Do not want to drive fast with it. But I think you guys can hear, you know, like the cabin noise from the FXI exhaust I got on right now. It's not loud. It's not too like quiet, I would say. You know, it's definitely way louder than the stock exhaust. So yeah, man, I'm excited for the AWE exhaust, man. It's been a minute. It's been like at least a year that, not at least a year, but I would say, yeah, at least a year. I wanted to get that exhaust, but I thought it was too loud. I'm like, you know what? Let me go with the FXI first, see how I feel about it. And then maybe after a year, I'm gonna go with the AWE. It happened, man. Finally pulled the plug, man. Yo, I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm there, man. Y'all, I'm at the shop right now. I'm about to change the exhaust. Y'all, got the old exhaust right here. The FXI, about to hear the new one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Shit sound good, I ain't gonna lie. Shit sound good. we good. That's way better. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, guys, man. You know what, man? Yo, this is the best mod I think I ever did to my car. Damn, it's not even, look, I was expecting this to be crazy loud. So, as you guys know, I got the automatic, you know, that auto tragic. You know, I don't know about the manual version, but on drive, it's not that crazy loud unless you step on it. It's not really like, see? It's not like crazy loud, like, yo, I expect this to be like insanely loud, man. It's not that bad. I mean, I'm still on drive. I might try it on manual and find out. But damn, that shit sounds good. Yo, it sounds good, man. Oh my God. All right, man, we're gonna try it on manual real quick. Let me put it on manual right now. We're gonna try it on manual. All right, guys. This is the manual. It's not bad. It's not bad. Look, this is the thing. It's loud, but it's not loud to like blow your eardrums off. You know. So it's not that bad. It's not that loud, man. So for me, I would say that's definitely the loudest. I'll probably like daily driving exhaust, but it's not bad. Yup. Right now I'm on 3rd gear, downshift. Yeah, it's not bad. Let me see. Another downshift. Sounds way better than it did, definitely. Let me see. Yup. Yeah. Alright, y'all, that's it, man. That's it. If y'all wanna do this, y'all wanna get the AWE, yo, go ahead, try it out, man. Alright, y'all, this is the next day. You know, I had to get the cold start for you guys. This is the next day, man. Let's go ahead and start the car and see how loud this thing is for a cold start. All right, cold start. Damn. Yo, this thing is loud as hell. Yo. Oh my God, bro. There we go. That's better. Yo. Yo. Yo, people are gonna hate these cold starts, man. Yo, but it kind of goes down quick, which is good. Oh my God. Yo, this thing is crazy. Nah. But let me know in the comment section, man, if I should just, you know, bring the tips out a little bit more, or if y'all think it's, you know, it's good the way it is. You can kind of see, if you're getting close, you can kind of see the AWE logo on top of it right here. Yeah. I mean, I think it's not bad how it is right now. But let me know if y'all think I should bring it out a little bit more. But yeah, man, this is the AWE Touring Edition. Thing is crazy, man. But yeah, guys, it's going down a little bit more. But yeah, so far so good with this exhaust, except for the cold start. It's crazy loud, but so far so good. It's actually a pretty nice exhaust. Alright, y'all, I'ma catch y'all in another video, alright?